Hey there, curious minds. Today I'm diving into the states of matter. Ready? Let's go. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. And it comes in three classic states: solid, liquid, and gas. But hold on, there's more. Let's break it down. First up, solids. Think of your desk, an ice cube, or your favorite book. Solids have a definite shape and volume. Their molecules are tightly packed, barely moving. That's why they're so rigid. Next, liquids. Water in your bottle, juice in your glass, or even molten lava. Liquids have a definite volume but take the shape of their container. Their molecules are more spread out and move around more freely than in a solid. That's why you can pour them. Now gases. Air, helium in balloons, or steam from a boiling kettle. Gases have neither a definite shape nor volume. They expand to fill any space available. Their molecules are super spread out and zoom around at high speeds. Okay, here's the twist. There's more to matter than just solids, liquids, and gases. Ever heard of plasma? It's like a supercharged gas. Lightning, stars, and neon signs, they're all made of plasma. Molecules here are crazy energetic. And then we have Bose-Einstein condensates. This state occurs at temperatures close to absolute zero. Molecules clump together and act as a single quantum entity. Mind-blowing, right? So, there you have it. Matter isn't just what you see around you every day. It's a universe of possibilities and states, each fascinating in its own way. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and always stay curious. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome science content. See you next time.